Hey, welcome to Meep Cat, our growing channel, and today I thought we'd start it off with some Roblox. Okay, so today we're playing a game made by one of my friends from school. It's called Survive the Slender Zombies by FoxyLover88. Now, I'm Meat Master 4783 because somebody else was already using Meep Cat, so I had to go with that. So, let's play the game. Starting Roblox. Download and install Roblox. Oh, yeah. Joining game. God, how come no one else is playing? Oh yeah, because it's like, God. Hey zombie, I couldn't move. How come that happened? No. I can't do anything. I can't move. I can't buy. No, I'm not doing it. No. Okay. Let's try another one of his other games. Creations. The Sad Noob, the Rake Monster, the Little Jumper, Super Kitty. I'm gonna try out Super Kitty Roleplay. I wanna see what this giant potato guy is. Okay. Whoa. Oh, jeez. Whoa, what the heck? Well, there's a giant chicken. What? Kitty. Hey, kitty. I need your help. What do I do? Oh, he's looking the other way. What is that? Is that just a giant fat guy? That's just a big circle. Okay, this game's terrible. FoxyLover88. Creations. We tried that. I think we need a bunch of other people. Survive the Slender Zombies, we already tried. Village Survival, everyone lost their bread. They all went crazy. Bread. You must end or kill whatever movement you see. Get your bread. Everyone loves bread. I want to open this. Village Survive Butt. Finally, a game I can actually walk around. The Slender Zombies. Jeez, that wasn't even a functional game. Let's do full screen, just to get the feel too. Bull. Pistol. Yay! How violent. Teaching little children what a pistol is. Oh, guys, there's a zombie in there. Let's see if I can. He didn't even notice me. I'm gonna get a square right in his head. His arms just fell off. Die. We just killed the zombie. Hey Zombo, what's in the chest? Oh, yeah. I can't open the chest. I got a sword. I don't want to do anything with the sword. I don't want to harm anybody. Okay, this sucks. What's so bad about losing bread? Okay. But when I said stuff about like battle in Area 51, how it had to have a bunch of people playing, it's 5:27 a.m. Survive the Slender Zombies you are tried. Village Survival. Foxy Lover is 80 place. Number 5. Let's blip. Eep. 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 Hey, you already installed Roblox. Okay. So basically, I love Roblox. Yeah. What the heck? Oh, what the? Oh, get away. Oh, this one actually walks. Die. Oh god, there's a bunch of them. Die. Nope. I'll leave a link down below to his account if you want to play his games. If you don't have an account on Roblox, then you're a nut. The sad noob? Cool. What is this? The sad noob is about a city that has Roblox up top. Okay. Oh, this is like a super easy obby with Doge up there. Oh, how did I make that? Oh god. No. Let's try out another game. I don't want to try out this one because it says monster, and I don't think that would be so good. So the final one that we're going to do today is Little Jumper, which is the final one at all. And let's play it. I hope this is the worst because even the title was bad. Oh god. 3 servers. Yeah, 3 different people are playing this right now. How is that possible? Press space start. Oh, whoa. Oh god. What was that? What the freak? God. What? Oh, this is actually his best game. Frick. I press space. My body part. Boom! Boom! Oh, what? I pressed space. You guys heard me press space. I was like, whoa. No. Oh god. No, what? What? No. Okay, so I think that's a good place to end the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.